So that brings us to the end of the low time frame trading chapter for now. There will be further updates on this chapter. I want to dig into the use of second timeframes and how you can actually use the second timeframes to further refine your entries. There's also going to be many videos added in the future on examples of trades using each of the different systems. There will already be some in there for you to check out now in the additional study section, and that will continue to be updated as time goes through. We've spoken about two primary systems, the Asia session liquidity runs, which is like this, where we are looking for the Asia range to form, and then we want to trade back and forth through the liquidity from the Asia lows to the Asia highs, and from the Asia highs to the Asia lows. And we also spoke about day-to-day trading, where we essentially want to find a market direction on an intraday perspective, and then continue scaling buys or sells into that market to follow the intraday order flow. I hope the videos that you've watched so far have been very beneficial, and I hope you found a lot of value in this chapter. Your work now should revolve around backtesting and reviewing the work that we've spoken about, running back over the information, running through the videos, taking additional notes, having a second look at anything you need to have a look at, and building a knowledge base so that you can go forward and use these successfully in the markets. If you're unsure on which one to use, I just suggest you find out in your backtesting which one works for you. If you are a primarily early day trader in the UK time zone or the Europe time zone, the Asia session liquidity runs is a very simple and easy system to apply, and it brings great consistent results week in and week out. If you trade the New York session, or you prefer to have a higher clarity view on the market and you want to trade more actively than an Asia session liquidity run trader, you may be interested in learning the primary day trading system. You could learn both. I know both, and I do actively use both in the markets, but if you're deciding on one to begin with, that is how you will take your pick. Have a look through some of the examples, and then have a look through your own charts and see which one it is you think is going to work the best for you, and which one it is that you think you want to dig into first. So that brings us to the end of the chapter. I really hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you found a lot of value, and now you should take some time, develop on your notes, develop on your knowledge, and check out some of the example trades in the additional study section. So thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and I will see you later.